Massage guns, once exclusive to professional athletes and physical therapists, are now becoming a staple in fitness and wellness routines worldwide. But are massage guns actually helpful? These high-tech devices promise to reduce muscle soreness, improve flexibility, and speed up recovery. In this video, we're going to go into the science and the benefits behind massage guns. We'll explore how they work and whether they're the right tool for you. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits or someone seeking relief from everyday muscle tension, understanding how to use a massage gun effectively can be a game changer. So let's unlock the power of massage guns and discover how they can enhance your recovery journey. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a massage gun? A massage gun is a handheld device designed to deliver rapid bursts of pressure into the body's muscle tissue through percussive therapy or vibration therapy. By moving an attachment head back and forth at high speeds, the device provides deep tissue massage that helps alleviate muscle soreness, improve flexibility, and enhance recovery. But you might be wondering, what's the difference between a regular massage gun and a percussion massage gun? Massage guns operate based on two key principles: percussive therapy and vibration therapy. Percussive therapy delivers rapid, concentrated pulses deep into your muscle tissue, while vibration therapy stimulates superficial layers and enhances lymphatic flow. Have you guys tried a massage gun before? Let us know your experience in the comments. Now let's explore the different benefits that massage guns offer. From reducing muscle soreness to enhancing flexibility, massage guns can be a valuable addition to your recovery toolkit. One of the most immediate benefits of using a massage gun is reducing muscle soreness and stiffness. After intense physical activities, muscles can become tight and painful due to microscopic damage and inflammation, a phenomenon known as delayed onset muscle soreness or DOMS. By applying percussive therapy, massage guns help alleviate DOMS by increasing blood flow and reducing the buildup of lactic acid and other metabolic waste products. Enhanced circulation is another significant benefit. Massage guns stimulate blood vessels, promoting better blood flow to the targeted muscles. Improved circulation means more oxygen and essential nutrients are delivered to the muscles, accelerating recovery and enhancing performance. Regular use of a massage gun can actually lead to increased flexibility and greater range of motion. By relaxing tight muscles and breaking down adhesions in the fascia, just the connective tissue surrounding your muscles, you can move more freely and reduce the risk of injuries. This is particularly beneficial for athletes and individuals who engage in activities requiring flexibility such as yoga, dance, or martial arts. Massage guns can also help break up scar tissue and adhesions resulting from injuries or surgeries. Scar tissue forms during the healing process, but it can limit mobility and cause discomfort if it's not managed properly. By applying deeper pressure, the massage gun promotes remodeling of scar tissue, improving muscle function, and facilitating a more complete recovery. Beyond just physical benefits, massage guns also can contribute to mental well-being. The rhythmic motion and stimulation can actually reduce stress hormones like cortisol while boosting the production of serotonin and dopamine, neurochemicals associated with happiness and relaxation. This makes massage guns a useful tool for stress relief, helping you unwind and even improving sleep quality. So now that you know the benefits of massage guns, how do we go about effectively using them? First, start slow. Begin with the lowest speed setting to gauge your comfort level. This allows your muscles to adapt to the stimulation and can prevent any potential discomfort. Let the massage gun do the work. You don't need to dig into your muscle tissue. You only need to apply light pressure and glide the device slowly over the muscle. Pressuring too hard can actually cause bruising and exacerbate muscle soreness. Depending on the outcome that you're trying to achieve, spend about 30 seconds to 2 minutes on each muscle group. If you're looking for recovery and to increase blood flow, we just need to achieve that itchy feeling. When we get rapid blood flow to an area, we get that tingly or itchy feeling. As soon as you get that, we've achieved what we're looking for and you can move on to an area. If you want to continue to work on that area, come back after working somewhere else. To get deeper into the muscle tissue, we can do more extended periods of time, but again, we don't need to exceed 2 minutes and we can continue to work the full muscle body while we're doing that. Overuse can cause irritation and even bruising, the opposite of what we're looking for with massage guns, so make sure we're not spending too long on any given area. Maintain steady breathing and relax the muscle that you're working on. Muscle tension can reduce the effectiveness of percussion therapy. So, do massage guns actually work? Research shows significant benefits: reduced muscle soreness, enhanced range of motion, and faster recovery. Massage guns are particularly helpful for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone dealing with muscle tension. Massage guns are a versatile tool for recovery, but remember to use them safely. Avoid sensitive areas like bones, necks, and joints, and always start with a lower setting. Now it's your turn. Incorporate a massage gun into your routine and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Also, drop a comment below if you guys have any questions.